I want to go over the trades on the day and a short setup for tomorrow's Fed meeting. We have Fed meeting. It's on tomorrow, March the 17th. It's February the 16th. Ever since March the 5th, the Nasdaq 24-hour session has made eight higher lows in a row. We talked about how it had not done that consecutively. Actually, right in here, it had done that 2 times in a row, but had not done that from here to here. It only had 2 days in a row where it made higher lows, and we talked about it right here. Now it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 higher lows in a row. Good short setup for at least a pullback in this market, just determined to drive higher. And we're coming into a Fed meeting. Interest rates continue lower. The 30-year has not bounced. Advanced decline line is minus 1,000 a day. The Nasdaq is up 88. I know it's a narrow range of 100 stocks, tech stocks, but I think we're due for a pullback. Potential option trades in here, spreads to just a normal retracement, not necessarily a market crash, but normal retracements to last week's lows. And so that's one of the things I'm looking at. Let's go over the trades on the day. Also see the VIX 1987. So let's go over the trades on the day. Some of the highlights on the day are the counter trend strategies. Tick count trend, 2 short trades plus 662.50 on the E-mini S&P. Then we have tick count trend 5-minute version plus 912.50 on the 5-minute version. The strategy has come alive this year after being in a difficult time in 2020 with the wide range V markets. Cobra 3 just stopped out the highs today. They're determined to prop this market up and keep it at all-time highs or near all-time highs. I think it's a trap. It's a trap for a sell-off. Really, a good opportunity down here, potentially to buy some puts expiring on Friday. If the market could sell off, it could move higher. I sense a big move one way or the other. So low risk trade, potentially a mean reversion type trade. Just a basic pullback. Adaptive moving average minus 512.50, and Cobra 3 was minus 625. 60-minute short, not stopped out on that trade. So that's a bearish sign. If this is not stopped out, this has been getting stopped out quite a bit. We haven't been trading it because it hasn't been a good strategy to trade. But to see this short trade not stopped out today is a little bearish, in my opinion. Plus 100 open trade. We're not trading this strategy, by the way. And Asia 4 long, got in long again last night, right around break even, plus 37.50 after 2 recent winners in a row. NQ strategies, Cobra 3 stopped out minus 625 on the Nasdaq. Gap continuation 2019 stopped out minus 650. Gap continuation 2020 minus 325. 60-minute breakout plus 975 on this version. Beta B, we have Viper. We've talked about that earlier in another video today. One of the top strategies that did not trade today. Looking to implement this in a portfolio that's currently not in one. It can be at least separately. Gap continuation 2019, big stop loss, $700 instead of $300, minus 725. VSD, E-mini Nasdaq plus 855. It was up 3,000, came back to break even, came back up. A lot of movement today, every day really. The Nasdaq tick fader, another counter trend strategy doing well today, plus 375. The counter trend strategies did well today in this pre-Fed trading day. So Beta C tick wave plus 640 on the day. Just exited that trade. Nice short. This has not done well since we released it, but we still have it. PR breakout NQ minus 650 on the day. Just got in at the wrong time. Reversal point. 60-minute breakout A plus 1475. 60-minute breakout B plus 50. Crude oil, Cobra Crude aggressive plus 115. Quiet day in crude overall as far as our strategies are concerned. Cobra Euro minus 625. Gold, we had Asia 4 long hitting its profit target, and we've had this strategy hit 2 winners in a row now after this loss up here. So looking for potentially higher prices in gold. Silver, no trades. Natural gas, short here. Not a great trade so far. down 480 on the day. This one will hold positions overnight. Our Bob, no trades today. Soybeans, grains day traded 3, took 2 trades here, minus 400, getting whipsawed right there. Exhaust in reverse, no trades. VSD long short, minus 37.15. Getting hit pretty hard today. The optional strategies, Cobra 3, profit targets also lost today. So kind of a choppy pre-Fed day. Night trader VSD, no trades. And so those are the trades on the day. Again, watching the Nasdaq. Oftentimes when there's consolidation, the market will trade on both sides of that short-term consolidation. You see a double inside day here. This range was inside this range, and then that range was inside that range. And so it broke out to this side. Oftentimes it will and then break out to the other side and then come back to the middle before maybe even moving higher. So look for that pattern. VIX down here. Also, the last time it was at this level, it started to move higher once again. So the norms are below 20, but the past year that's been the low end of the range, and so we'll see if it goes back to the norm below 20 or so the market just closed. So we'll see if that norm, if it returns to pre-COVID, pre-pandemic norms of below 20 for most of the time, or if this is the bottom of the range and it moves higher. Once again, this could be a great short setup as it moves to this lower end of the range, and then it can move higher on Fed, on the Fed tomorrow, and the Nasdaq has set itself up into a short-term uptrend, and so could be some pullback here. So March the 16th, 2021, trades on the day.